Hello students, welcome to my English classroom. Today you are going to learn a poem and the name of the poem is The Charge of the Light Brigade. This poem is written by Lord Alfred Tennyson and this poem is from the 7th chapter of your main course book. Do you know the meaning of the poem? The Charge of the Light Brigade. Here charge means attack. And Light Brigade is the name of a unit of British Army and that unit was a cavalry unit. And this poem is about a famous war, Crimean War. So at first, let's see what we are going to learn today. Today, you will learn about the poet Lord Alfred Tennyson, then historical background of the Charge of the Light Brigade and first 3 stanzas of the poem. About the poet. Lord Alfred Tennyson, he was a British poet. He was born in 1809 in the United Kingdom. He was the poet laureate during much of Queen Victoria's reign and remains one of the most popular British poets. Do you know what the phrase poet laureate means? Poet laureate means officially appointed poet. Some of his famous poems are The Lady of Shalott, The Lotus Eaters, In Memoriam and Morte d'Arthur. Tennyson died in 1892. Now we will know about the historical background of this poem, The Charge of the Light Brigade. As I told you, this poem is about a famous war and this poem is based on real fact. The Light Brigade was a British horse-mounted cavalry unit and armed only with swords and lances. Means this Light Brigade, this unit of the army, they were only carrying spear, sword, etc. The brigade was never intended to attack the field artillery unit head on, but a mistaken order sent them straight into the Russian cannons. Field artillery unit means army equipped with firearms. Now, the charge led by Lord Cardigan did reach the artillery battery. They were able to reach the battery of the artillery unit and they scattered some gunners, but they were destroyed in the process. The Light Brigade consisted of about 670 men and most of them were killed in this charge. This charge took place during the Battle of Balaclava in the Crimean War and it happened on 15th October 1854. Now see the map. In map, you can understand the location of the battle. As I told you, this is based on a real incident and Crimean War was fought between the Russians and the allied forces of Britain, France, Ottoman Empire and Turkey. And see the greenish part, that is Russian Empire, and here the bluish ash color, that is Ottoman Empire. The Crimean War was a military conflict fought from October 1853 to February 1856 in which Russia lost to the alliance made up of France, the Ottoman Empire, the United Kingdom and Sardinia. The immediate cause of this war involved the right of Christian minority in Holy Land. The Crimean War was one of the first conflicts in which the military used modern technologies such as explosives, telegraphs and railways. All of you know about Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale gained worldwide attention for pioneering modern nursing while treating the wounded. Now I am going to recite the poem. The Charge of the Light Brigade by Lord Alfred Tennyson. Half a league, half a league onward, all in the valley of death, rode the 600. Forward the Light Brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. Forward the Light Brigade, was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. This not to make reply, this not to reason why, this but to do and die. Into the valley of death rode the 600. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with shot and shell, boldly they rode and well, into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. Flashed all their sabres bare, flashed as they turned in air, sabring the gunners there, charging an army, while all the world wondered. Plunged in the battery smoke, right through the line they broke. Cossack and Russian reeled from the sabre stroke. Shattered and sundered, then they rode back, but not the 600. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon behind them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with shot and shell, while horse and hero fell. They that had fought so well came through the jaws of death back from the mouth of hell. All that was left of them, left of 600. When can their glory fade? Oh, the wild charge they made! All the world wondered. Honored the charge they made, honor the Light Brigade, noble 600. Let's know the hard words from stanza 1, 2 and 3. League. League is the distance that a person can walk in 1 hour. It is commonly taken to be approximately 3 English miles, about 5 kilometers. Now, half a league. In this poem, you will find the term half a league. Half a league means 1.5 miles. Light Brigade. What is Light Brigade? A British horse-mounted cavalry unit. Charge means to attack. Dismay, a feeling of shock or distress. Blundered means made a mistake. Cannon, a large heavy gun. Volleyed, a number of bullets, arrows or other missiles discharged at one time. Thundered, a loud deep noise. Shell, an explosive or bomb. Now I am going to recite the poem once again stanza wise, and I am going to explain the meaning or the paraphrase also. Half a league, half a league, half a league onward, all in the valley of death rode the 600. Forward the Light Brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. The poem is starting with the words half a league, which is used thrice to symbolize the parade of the Light Brigade towards the army. Half a league is roughly a mile and a half, because a league is equal to about 3 miles and is one old way to measure distance. The 600 soldiers were commanded to march towards the enemy that was probably 1.5 miles ahead. They were marching into the valley of death, which means that they were soon going to be killed. The commander commands the soldiers to take charge of their guns and attack their enemies. Stanza 2. Forward the Light Brigade, was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. Theirs not to make reply, theirs not to reason why, theirs but to do and die. Into the valley of death rode the 600. The commander gave the command to the soldiers to move forward and asked if any soldier was afraid or discouraged. The Light Brigade, even though they knew that someone had blundered and the charge was a mistake, but they were trained and disciplined to follow orders. They were not used to questioning the orders of their superiors, but to do their duty and face death in the war. Third stanza. Cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with shot and shell. Boldly they rode and well into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. This stanza describes the scene where the soldiers are surrounded by enemy cannons on their left, right, and front. There were huge walls of cannons all around them that were firing and making a sound like thunder. They were showered with artillery shells and gunshots, but the 600 soldiers rode boldly and well into the teeth of death and mouth of hell. Let's move to the next slide. Now, what have you learned today? We have learned The Charge of the Light Brigade is a poem based on a real incident and was written by Lord Alfred Tennyson on 2nd December 1854. Here, charge means the attack and Light Brigade was a cavalry unit of the British Army. This charge took place during the Battle of Balaclava in the Crimean War, and it happened on 15 October 1854. The Light Brigade was mistakenly ordered to attack the artillery unit of the Russian army. I hope you have understood. Let's move to the next slide. See, here are few MCQs for all of you to check whether you have learned the poem, the meaning so far today taught or not. Let's see. First question is, half a league denotes. Three options are given: a mile, 1.5 mile, 1 kilometer. What is the correct answer, children? Can you tell me? Check your answer whether it is right or wrong. It's 1.5 mile. Next is charge means. Charge means to energize, to quarrel or to attack. Which one is correct? I hope you have already chosen correctly. Now check your answer whether you have chosen correctly or not. Charge means attack. The name of the poet is Alfred Lord Tennyson or Lord Alfred Tennyson. I hope you are very sure about it. It's Lord Alfred Tennyson. This is a poem about the famous war. I already told you. What's the war? Is it Crimean War or Sepoy Mutiny? I know you know it correctly. Now check your answer whether you are right or wrong. It's Crimean War. Last question. Valley of Death refers to graveyard, destruction, battlefield. you know the answer. Now check your answer. It's battlefield. Let's move to the next slide. What is there? Let's see. Here is home assignment for you all. What is your home assignment? To write about the poet in copy. You can also paste his picture or draw his picture if you wish. And then to recite the first 3 stanzas and to write them in your copy. Would you like to recite the poem again? You can recite the poem again and again. And in our next class, we will be completing the other 3 stanzas. Hope you have understood this much up to this 3 stanza, and I request you again and again to recite the poem. This much for today. Hope to meet you in my next class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Thank you, students.